Yealink T28P. On the front display, you will see the time and date. Information such as missed calls will appear at the bottom, and features you have set up, such as call forward, will display at the top of the screen. Your extension, which is your line, is in the top right with the first line button. The other buttons on the right of the screen can be used as busy lamp fields, which light up to indicate when colleagues are on calls. These are set using the online phone portal. Alternatively, these buttons can be used as speed dials, which are programmed on the handset. The 10 buttons down the right side of the device can be used in the same way for user busy lights and speed dials. Buttons below the screen control the features on the bottom of the screen. These soft keys change when you are on a call. Call buttons. On the right-hand side cluster of buttons, we have a voicemail access button, a headset button if you are using a headset, a conference key to conference callers, a hold key to place the caller on hold, a mute key, a dedicated call transfer key, a redial key to access your placed calls, and a speaker button. At the bottom is the volume control to adjust the ringer volume and earpiece or speaker volume when you are on a call. And we have the dial pad. Navigational arrow buttons. In the center is the navigation buttons. The up arrow gives access to your call log of received, placed, or missed calls. If you are prompted for a web access password, contact your administrator. The direction of the arrow icons shows whether the call is placed, received, or missed. Highlight any number from the lists and press send or OK, or the hash or pound key to call. The right and left arrow keys are used for control in other menus and not active for the main screen. The down arrow key provides quick access to your directories. The X key takes you back to the previous screen. Screen control soft keys. The history provides access to all placed, missed, and received calls. Use the down arrow to select the number to call and press OK for the call details. Pressing the Option key allows you to add the number to a directory or a block list. The directory key takes you to your directories. The DND button is Do Not Disturb. This is useful if you do not want your phone to ring because you have a meeting, for example. Press once and DND appears at the top of the display to indicate Do Not Disturb is active. To remove Do Not Disturb, simply press the soft key once and the action is removed. Pressing Menu gives access to more features. Placing a call. Dial the number first. This is the best way to avoid any timeout when looking up a number and going back to find the screen has returned to its idle state and the number has cleared. Once finished, the call will connect, or press Send. The hash key or pound key can also be used to connect a call. You can then use the speaker or lift the receiver. If using a headset, press the headset button. If you enter a wrong digit, just use the delete key to correct it. You don't need to start dialing the number again. Pressing the speaker button or lifting the handset will change the bottom display to give different options. Press Pool to access previously dialed numbers in the history. G-Pickup to pick up a ringing call of a colleague. When dialing the destination number, the full number, including the area code, is required. Answering a call. Answer a ringing call by pressing the Answer soft key. Other options appear for you to handle the incoming call on the display, such as forward to a colleague, silence the call, or reject to disconnect the caller or send them to voicemail. You can press the speaker key or lift the receiver. On a call. When you are on a call, you will see other options on the display. Transfer to pass the call to a colleague. Hold to put the caller on hold. Press resume to return to the caller. Conference to start a conference call. Cancel to end the call. Call transfer. Announced transfer. An announced transfer is when you want to let the person you are transferring a call to know who is on the line or to see if they are available. When a call is in progress, press the Transfer button soft key or the dedicated Transfer button. The caller will be placed on hold and hear hold music. Dial the extension number you wish to transfer to or the outside number, such as a colleague's mobile. Do not press the Transfer soft key, as this will perform a blind transfer. Inform your colleague of the caller you wish to transfer. If your colleague is not available to take the call, press Cancel to return to the caller and stop the call to your colleague. If your colleague answers but does not want to take the call, press Cancel and Resume to return to the caller. If your colleague disconnects the call, just press Resume. If they are happy to take the call, press Transfer to complete or replace the receiver. Call transfer. Blind transfer. This one is useful in an office where a colleague is just opposite you. When a call is in progress, press Transfer. Enter the number to transfer to, and press Transfer or replace the receiver, and the call is passed straight away. Answering a second call whilst on an active call. A call is in progress and another call is coming in. You will see the screen indicate the new caller and hear a call waiting beep. Press the Answer key to speak to the new caller. The first caller will go on hold and hear the hold music. To go back to the first caller, press Swap. Pressing Swap, you can alternate between the two callers. You can also join the two callers into a conference by pressing Conference. If one of the callers disconnects, their side of the screen will indicate this on the display by showing 1 of 1 instead of 1 of 2. Three-way conference call. When a call is in progress, press the Conference button. The caller will be placed on hold and hear hold music. Dial the extension number you wish to conference or the outside number, such as a colleague's mobile. Speak to the person and see if they are available to join first. Press the Conference button again. You are now in a three-way conference call. To split the conference, press the Split button and both lines are put on hold. Use the arrow keys to select the caller you want to speak to privately and press Resume. To return to the conference call, press Conference. Then, all three of you are back on the call. If you press Hold, both callers hear the hold music. Group Pickup. Call Pickup. If a group pickup has been set, you can pick up another user's ringing phone if they are in the same group as you are, instead of having to leave your desk to pick up the call. To do this, press the speaker button and then Pick Up. Lift the receiver and press Pick Up. Or press that user's line key to connect if your system is set up for this function. Call park. Call park allows you to park a call at an extension. Whilst in a call, press transfer and dial *68 followed by send. Follow the prompts to park the call. To park on your extension, press the hash key. To park on another extension, dial the extension and press the hash key. To retrieve a parked call, dial *88 and follow the prompts. To retrieve a call parked on your extension, press the hash key. To retrieve a call parked on another extension, dial the extension and press the hash key. Call forward. Call divert. To program a number to forward calls to, press the dedicated transfer key. Enter the destination number, which may be your mobile or a colleague. Press Save or OK to activate. Exit to the main screen, and in the top of the screen you will see an arrow indicating that calls are being forwarded. Important to note that this call forward only forwards your handset, your direct dial. If you are a single user, this will be okay depending on your settings. If you are part of a group, this will not forward the group number calls. This will need to be done via the online portal, which can be activated from any internet device. If you are in a small office and you want to forward the main number, this is done on the online portal and not via the phone. The forward on the phone will only forward your direct extension calls. Once you have programmed a number to forward to, just one press of the transfer key will enable and disable call forwarding. To change the programmed number on the screen, press Menu Soft key. Select Features or press 2. Select Call Forward or press 1. Select Option 1 and enter. Use the down arrow key to the field labelled Forward to enter the new number and save. To remove a call forward, just press the dedicated transfer key and the screen icon will disappear. Changing the forwarded to number. To change the programmed number on the screen, press the Menu Soft key. Select Features or press 2. Select Call Forward or press 1. Select Option 1 and enter. Use the down arrow key to the field labelled Forward to. Enter a new number and save. To remove a call forward, just press the dedicated transfer key and the screen icon will disappear. Adding numbers to the contact directory. Press the directory soft key. The local directory is your numbers, which can be added from here or from the call history in the same way. Contacts and enter or OK. Select local directory. Press Add. Use the keypad to input the user name. Use the down arrow key and enter the number, whether that is Office, Mobile or other. Account should always be set to Auto. Different ringtones can be selected for different callers. Then press Save or OK and the new contact will be stored. When this number calls your handset, the name will appear. You can press the letter of the name you wish to search in the directory. Adding speed dials to the main screen keys. Press the Menu Soft key. Use the down arrow to select Features or press 2. Scroll using the down arrow key to DSS keys, or press number 3 and enter. There are line keys which program the 6 buttons on the side of the screen, and there are memory keys which program the strip of 10 keys. Select the line keys and enter. Select the line key you wish to program and enter. Select the type as speed dial using the left or right arrow key. Press the down arrow key to account, which should always be set to auto. Scroll down to label and enter the name. This is what will appear on the front screen next to the button. Continue to scroll down to value and enter the number using the keypad. Press save once complete. Return to the main screen and you will see the speed dial label. Press once to connect a call, or when transferring a call, this button can be used instead of dialing the extension or full number. Performing a transfer, this would be a blind transfer. You cannot announce the caller before connecting your colleague to the call. If you need to announce who is calling, use the extension number.